Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video of De Modo Fácil. Today, I'm sick. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cough. I am sick. My head hurts. I am sick. I am sick. My head hurts. My head hurts. I have a headache. I am sick. My stomach. Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh, my stomach hurts. I have a stomach ache. I am sick. Also, my throat. My throat hurts. My throat is scratchy. My throat hurts. I am sick. I need to go to the doctor. I need a doctor. Thank you so much for watching. Are you sick? Let me know in the comments down below. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye everybody.